What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I've got an unboxing video for you guys. Today we're going to be unboxing the frame for the Insta360 X3. Now, for those of you that are new to my channel, I have been using the Insta360 lineup for just a couple of months. My first one was the 1RS. Now I have the X3, and the 1RS called the frame. Basically, it's just a cage for the 1RS, and I wanted one for the X3 but was unable to get one. Just now able to get one. I ordered one, just came in the mail today, and that's what I got here. So we're going to talk about just kind of the outside, what it shows you, and then we're going to do a quick unboxing, and then I'm going to show you what the X3 looks like with the inside, and then show you some really cool things that you could do with the X3. So as you can see, basically just a nice little metal cage. So SmallRig does make really quality products. I just ordered a handle for my A6400, and I've owned SmallRig products before in the past, and it's really high quality stuff. I love their stuff. And this is just basically just allows me to throw my X3 in it, and it does have a cold shoe mount on both sides, as well as it has a little mount right here that flips out, so you can attach other types of accessories to this, as well as to the side if you ever want to do a vertical style video shooting, as well as it does have a quarter thread on the bottom that you can use to attach to your Invisistic if you wanted to use this and use something audio quality wasn't really to your. If you didn't want the audio quality that came from the X3, you could use a wireless mic for this. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop this open, and I'm going to show you what comes with this really quick. So straight out the box, this is what it's going to look like. Looks like you also get a lens protector. So this is what you would put on the cage itself or the frame, and it protects the Insta360, so it looks like you don't have to worry about damaging or scratching your screen. One of the mount that you would attach to the side, it really only goes actually looks like it goes in both sides. So you have a mount there that you can mount it to, as well as you have it on the other side that you could mount it to right there. So it looks like there's like two spots on each side to mount. Otherwise, this is the frame itself. That looks like this is going to be your cold shoe mounts. This is obviously the lens cap. I'm guessing this is how you would actually add the X3 into it. It looks like you just twist and this pops, screws out. So you have your quarter thread right there, and then it looks like you have your little feet things right here. And basically, an Insta360 is nothing more than a GoPro in terms of how the accessories work. If you have GoPro products that you still use, you can basically just thread those into this, and then you just attach it to a GoPro product if you have that. But that's what that looks like. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to see what else we got in here. It looks like we got some little screws. So it looks like these are the screws that would attach to the little attachment here. So these are your little screws right there. And it looks like you got a little hex wrench that you could use basically to just attach to that, and then you just kind of just, you know, screw that in. So we're going to pop this open, and then we're going to throw on the X3 into it, and then I'm going to show you what this will look like if you were to buy the wireless mic adapter for this and want to use this in a vlogging set, which you can do with the X3. So as you can see, it looks like it just screws just like that, and then you just simply just lift up. Then you just take your X3 and just slide it in, and you simply just twist again, and then it closes. It's a pretty sturdy case. It's made of metal. It's not plastic. When you first actually pull it out of the box, it does feel like it's plastic until you. So it is pretty solid. So again, that's what that looks like with the frame in it. So say you want to use your Invisistic with it. So here's my Invisistic. Again, you got that quarter screw thread right there, and then this way this protects your X3 from, if you accidentally hit something, it just hits the frame and not the device itself. But that's how that would work. So pretty simple, easy, nothing to it. Now I'm going to show you how you can use this in a vlog type of a setting. So I do have an accessory that I got from Insta360. It is the wireless mic adapter for this. So again, like I said before, that's your cold shoe mount. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the door off of this, and I'm going to show you what that looks like with the mic adapter. And it's pretty simple to remove the door. As you can see, that's your little door right there. If this focuses, there. So that's your door right there. And then you just simply just pull. And that's pretty much it. So this is going to be your wireless adapter. Again, I have a link down below for all of these. This is your wireless adapter. As you can see, that is the little input that you would plug, and it does come with its own little cord, which is actually kind of cool, so you don't have to use the one that would come with your wireless adapter. I'll be using my Rode for this one because I have two versions. So that's the cord right there. So we're just going to take this. Now when you insert this in, you want to insert it with the USB-C connection facing down, because your plug-in is at the bottom and not at the top. So the camera, as you can see, the connection's on the bottom, not the top. Your middle bar. So you simply just, like that, you hear it click, that's it. And then when you mount your wireless mount, depending on where your input jack is for the Rodes, it's always going to be at the top. When you mount this in, you want that wireless input, or you want the input, not wireless, to be facing up. So you simply just slide it in like this, and then you just simply just take this end right here, plug it into that, and then this goes into that, like such. And then there you go. As you can see, pretty simple. And then again, you can mount this on to a simple tripod or on your Rizzy stick. But typically, if you mount this onto a regular tripod, you can just shoot this in what is on a single lens mode at 4K, and you can just use this as a regular vlogging camera, just like any other action camera. But there you go. Again, if you wanted to thread this to the Insta360, again, you have a wireless mic attached to it, and you can do some pretty cool stuff with it. I don't know if I'll be doing anything a lot with it because it's almost wintertime here. I don't know if I'll be having it in this type of a setting, but if I want to do any videos with this after that, that's pretty much all there is. So that's all that I have for my unboxing of the frame from SmallRig. And again, I will have a link down below for this if you want to take a look at this, as well as for the wireless mic for the X3 if you want to take a look at that. And that is all that I got. Now I will be making another video on some of the cool accessories that you can use or that I would recommend for the X3, so stay tuned for that video. So if you're not subscribed, please think about hitting that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, that way you don't miss content when I drop it. And please feel free to look at my Insta360 playlist, as I for those of you that maybe want to look at the One RS versus the X3, you might want to be curious about the One RS. I did do a bunch of videos on that as well, and I'll have that link down below as well. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Again, if this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Enjoy.